This is a felted wool milk bottle cooler. And a little reservoir on top. Fill up, and it's holding water. And as it soaks into the fabric, you just kind of squeeze it, let it soak in. Let it soak into the sides. This is if you just have a limited amount of water and you don't want to dip the whole thing into a creek. This is what you do. Just fill it up. And now the whole thing is damp. I just used a cup of water to get my milk bottle sleeve wet, and this will stay wet for the next couple hours, and it'll evaporate. Water will evaporate off of it, which pulls heat out of the center of the vessel, and it keeps my milk down to a consistent 65 degrees. It can get lower than that. 65 degree milk stays good for the greater part of the day until the next milking, and by then I've drank it. So yeah, this is the most practical way to keep your milk from spoiling before you're able to drink it. This is how I store it. This is just a milk jug, a half-gallon milk jug that I cut the side out of so that the evaporative cooler could breathe and do its job, evaporate, but so that the wetness of the evaporative cooler doesn't bleed over into my backpack. And it's got a little reservoir too, so if I get it a little too wet from dunking it in the creek and any of it seeps down, it's not going to drip into the bottom of my backpack. Yeah, this is how I travel with milk and a dairy sheep. Yeah, this is how I travel with my dairy animals. You're silly. Good girl, Dottie. Did you have enough peaches? Did you have enough peaches?